Hi everyone, my name is YouMe, and I'm here today to walk you through how to download and sign up for the YouMe app. Step 1. Download the YouMe app. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for YouMe and tap on it. Then click Download. Once the download is complete, open the YouMe app. Step 2. Log in or sign up. After you open the YouMe app, you will see the Login and Sign Up button at the bottom. If you already have a YouMe account, simply tap Login and enter your credentials. If you're a new user, tap Sign Me Up to create an account. Then enter your details. Make sure your password is at least 6 characters. Once done, tap Continue. After clicking the Continue button, you'll receive an OTP one-time password via SMS. Enter the OTP to verify your phone number. Once verification is complete, you'll enter the YouMe dashboard. Step 3. Estate Sign Up. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the Estate Sign Up button. This is how we'll start linking your estate to your account. Click the Add New Unit button. Now it's time to select your estate name. You'll see a drop-down menu with a list of options. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate your estate. Once your estate is selected, you'll need to fill in some details about your address, things like your block, floor, and unit number. After that, just hit Next. In this step, we'll ask for your name and phone number. Please enter your name according to your IC. If you are SP, we will verify your name against to straighter roll and then click Next to continue. Finally, you'll need to select your identity in the estate. Are you an owner, a resident, or a tenant? If you are a tenant, please upload your tenancy agreement and select your lease expiry date. After selecting your role, click the Next button. A confirmation dialog will appear. Just click Yes to continue. After clicking Yes on the confirmation dialog, you'll see this screen indicating that your application has been successfully submitted. Please click Dotted and wait for the management team to review your application. Once approved, you'll receive both an app notification and an email. At that point, simply log in again to complete the process. Welcome to the YouMe community.